Here we have a 2014 PriusV hatchback with a sizable dent on the liftgate. Notice there is a line towards the taillight. This will also have to be removed. To remove the dent, we have to push that metal down and over into the dent. I used a combination of different types of tools to do this repair, from cold glue to knocking down crowns and moving metal around to release pressure, and also hot glue, besides our traditional paintless dent removal rods and tips. Here we have the cold glue in action, pulling out some of the smaller lows, softer lows, with the slide hammer. Trying to position the right spot with the cold glue to get the maximum adhesion to the low spots. More crown work, hot glue with tabs. Here's an example of halfway through the damage. There's soft low spots here and there that need to be cleaned up, and more crowns that need to be knocked down to relieve the pressure. Here I use a mini lifter. This is what's going on now, about 3/4 of the way through. Have some cleanup to do. It's about 90% at this point. Coming in doing some precision finishing work using a knockdown and hammer, while making pushes on the low spots. Here's our finished product. The line on the edge is gone, the large dent is gone, the body line is rebuilt up above the PriusV. There is a horizontal body line that runs along there. Here's a picture of it outside as the customer was pulling up. Thanks for watching.